The blue corner, Gervonta.
KINGRY Garcia.
Because in previous fights we've seen that he seems kind of awkward, but in this fight he's not looking.
And Fields felt that he, and I think a big part of
If we look at the replays here, I'll save that story. Go ahead, Sergio. No, but he set up that one.
looking for fire. Left on between Barrios and Jacob. Right hand to the body by Barrios. Barrios and inner resolve. Davis unloads the left. Barrios a double number. It's over.
Box punches. And he was going to start pushing the tempo in the fourth round. And a block.
Talk about guys comfortable fighting southpaws.
No, he got him again. He fell for that baller he is. But guess what? People want to throw, and he caught him with a left hook again. Out comes the mouthpiece. Some close rounds. Right now, Ryan Garcia is in control. You can see that way his body language is reacting, coming forward with no respect. Eddie Reynoso saying to Ryan Garcia, here he goes, body shot. Here he goes,
They get into a mode of over-punching.
And he likes that.
That power shot. Left weights trade in the middle of the ribs with a combination that lands, and another left. Final third action of the fight so far. The left lands again. So I can, land that.
Are you catching? He's going to fight him in the corner. I really
Nice uppercut. Oh, and a second one with 20 seconds. And now another left. Let's get very time. He's throwing it here.
Factor in this fight. That beat not good enough.
Oh, that's why.
getting hit.
Oh.
He landed the best.
Backing up, good right hand. Notice he had curly the sheep when you're growing up. Power shots over the top. When they land one edge, it's to Davis. I think he has some cut under the eye. Just cut. What a generous Davis unfit.
Get yourself a break.
drops him. And some
Up with and he was.
He knew Avila needed to show something at the beginning of the round to stay in it. And now Davis thinks he's got him done. And Michelle Myers.
Very good amateur fighters. He has got the pedigree behind him.
Multiple junior national titles, over 200 amateur wins. Hard right hand that landed and shook Duno. Garcia able to land that right now. Down he goes. Team, the Baltimore Ravens. Spoke to a couple of people.
Jose, could this possibly? Good shot,
But been caught with off the banger. A lot of them early round.
know what to do in a situation like this. He looks in his corner. He owes 3 minutes of every
Hurtful
I mean, Pedraza
Age that night. No one thought he could. And here
these headshots are having an effect. Was it
surprising because Davis is going through the motion. Just starting in from Gervonta Davis. And a huge
opening round. Alexander pushing one. Just a sign of there of that fault when he brings. Just call that K. Shouted his shots are coming from Davis. At this point, that's a big left hand. And Walsh wants to hold on. He knows Walsh, but Davis knows he's hurting. And he's going looking for him now. And he's trying to finish it here. And he puts him down on steady legs. He looks as though he's gone here, Walsh. One more and it's all over.
Hard right hand. Wow. How did he weather that? Another one. And a hook. And down he goes. And this was electrifying the way he closed the show.
That's the way you handle an opponent who's playing and trying to make you look better. He took his time. Oh.
Ray, that was right in front of us. I felt the you need to break this.
The bicycle, utilizing lateral footwork, then lands. We are going to the 8th round, their respective careers.
Oh, nice kick.
The kids will tell you. Oh, Fonseca. Oh, Fonseca unable to answer the 10 count, but we're going to after it.
And he catches Ryan, but then he gets demoralizing his opponent. That's exactly what Garcia did there. Valenzuela threw his best punch of the night, and he gets caught, and he's about to get finished.
Well, he's come out perfectly. Credits through that left hand of round counter again. He really is a joy to watch, and that's a lot.
Davis just closes.
Shake
Here for Gervonta made some kind of Mayweather.
21 knockouts, all that. And this is great work by Davis.
And then for the body again after popping out the jab a couple of times. He's trying to cover up here, Quay up, and he goes upstairs, Davis.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.